Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with this hair company. First time trying out hair from this hair company. I'm not so sure about the pronunciation. It could be Cynosure Hair or Cynosure Hair. I'm gonna go with Cynosure Hair maybe. Yeah. It just says below that love your hair, show your beauty. It comes in this drawstring bag. Out of doing like all of my corporation so far, this is the first company I've ever like received just a bag. Set apart from back in the day when it would just be in bags and not boxes. So yeah. Okay, so just to get into what's inside of it. Alright, so of course, obviously the hair. I get a pair of lashes. I really love the way these lashes look. Got a wig cap, and that's pretty much all that came in the bag with the hair. So this is some body wave here. A little bit of information is here on the bag. It says body wave. It's 220% in density. So this is some full hair. This is some thick hair, and it's 24 inches long. Okay, you know, always come in its nets and stuff. So just gonna go ahead and remove that. Right off the bat, I can tell you like this is noticeably very silky, like very silky. I love the luscious curls. You know that regular body wave vibe. Really nice curls. I love this so much. And this is what the lace looks like. Looks like a medium brown to me. It comes with like what, 4 combs on the inside of it, and it has its adjustable straps and stuff, so you can go ahead and, you know, adjust this as much as you like. It is also a medium cap size that I got, which I get for like all of my wigs. Yeah, so this is some really luscious hair. I really love the feel of it. Feels very good, and as I said, this is very thick. It does come with baby hairs in the front here. I'm not sure if I'm going to be plucking at this a lot, if any. I actually feel as if I want to go ahead and show this off as is and install it as is. Probably eyeball it when I go in and see how I want to do it, and I'll be using glue to apply this today, you know. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get started with this install. Look at that, that is gorgeous. As you can see, I'm here with mommy. Yeah, so all right, so as you can see, I already applied the wig cap to her head straight out of the packaging. All right, I'm just going to adjust the bands in the straps in the back here. As you can see, the ear portion is too long. So what happens when I find that a wig is too like big for the head, you want to ensure that it is centered before cutting anything. So I get my scissors and I kind of just, because you don't want any of the lace to be on the ear portion. So yes, you're going to have to cut off some of the hair, but it's very necessary, and you need to see everything kind of line up very even here now, and that's what you want. As I told you guys, I did not go in and do any further plucking because I wanted to apply this straight out of the packaging as is. So like for the ear portion here, I feel like I might go in and pluck a little bit more off just to create a more of a graduation there, because that's just what I like to do.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting.
So now that I'm done with that, I'm pretty much ready to go ahead and use my glue to let this stick. So what you need to do whenever you're working with glue, the area that you're going to be applying the adhesive to, you need to cleanse it with alcohol first. That area that I'm going to be applying the glue. When you're doing this, you want to ensure that you apply the glue like in front of the hairline, because it's just, you just want to play it safe. Don't want to rip out the edges. And I'm using Bold Hold Active today again.
Waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning.
I'm going to take a wrap strip so that I can further just get this to be as, you know, laid as I want it to be.
In the end, but if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again. The world is
Guys, you see, just take your time. You see how the lace there has already just seeped right in, and as you can see, I'm just doing this in portions, sections. Makes life way easier, and you can track how well you're melting. Any area you might find lifting a bit, guys, you can just take a little bit of your bowl hole, just a little bit, a tad, and just kind of apply that to the area. Let it kind of dry down, clear first, because you don't want to put it down while it's still white, else that will leave a cakey look that you don't want.
Is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you?
That's looking pretty good. So what I do now is I do very mild, very light baby hairs. So I take out the tiniest bit here in the front, nothing too noticeable, and that's how I like doing the baby hairs. Today I'm taking this mousse right here. This is the Liquid Goldie Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco, Style and Shine Foaming Mousse. Using the mousse, it just helps you to like play around with everything, as you guys know, and like just make it really easy to see how you want to form everything out.
Every corner twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm.
You can't stop admiring yourself. The mirror's right there, and if up there's some burn on right now, she's not looking, because her eyes are plastered on the mirror right here. I just gave it some one curls around here, something like nothing too serious. For the most part, still rocking it close to its natural state. So just combing out the baby hairs here because we don't want it to look too harsh. This is 24 inches long. Oh, by the way, as you guys can see, I gave her a little neutral glam. I want to just show you how luscious this is looking. Look at that. That is some gorgeous hair. Cynosure hair. Big up with this up because this is looking bomb. It's not the first time you see me showing body wave hair like this. Did a couple videos recently where I reviewed other body wave hair. Very bouncy and the luster is very natural looking. So I love that. So this was pretty much just to focus on a, you know, natural looking install. You know, that was pretty much it. And you know, I just really wanted to not use my face today. So I'm happy I could bring this to you guys. Looks really, really good. So guys, you see that lusciousness? That's pretty much it for today's video. Everything came together just like how I wanted it to. It looks pretty natural. Loving the quality of the hair. As I said, I felt like I didn't want to use my face for this video, and it just made things more interesting for me personally. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it informative, all that good stuff. If you're interested in this gorgeous wig, you can go ahead and check out my description box to see the information on it, the link where you can go ahead and shop it, all that wonderful stuff, and all the specifications as well. Yeah, that's it for today, and just stay tuned for my other videos coming up. So until then, I'm your girl Petite. Go and big up on yourself.
It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling.